Hey guys, this video is about making the best out of what you have, and in here I have some cabbage and I've added some salt and some garam masala, okay? So this is just on the turn cabbage. I didn't really know what to do with it and I thought I'm gonna make some Gato Lissou, which is Mauritian cabbage fritters. So I'm gonna need gram flour, which is chickpea flour, or also known as besan flour, and I'm just gonna tumble that in, and then all we need to do is add enough water to turn it into a batter. And that looks pretty good. If you can see, it's clumped together into one sort of mass, and those are just going to be fried off, and they're going to be super delicious. You can add some baking powder to this if you want, which will make it quite light and fluffy, but if you don't have any, that's not a problem. You can just use gram flour. If you don't have gram flour, you can just use self-raising flour as well, and that would work perfectly fine. So these are delicious. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, they're dairy-free, and they're going to be served with some chili sauce. So let's... How easy was that? So this is my Gato Lissou, deep fried cabbage with some gram flour, absolutely delicious, served with chili sauce, guys. Get stuck in. Hope you enjoy it.